In the second full day of deliberations, there was another request for a mistrial, as we've told you. One legal expert says it's not likely to be granted. Fox 6's Ashley Sears live tonight to explain why and what might be happening with the jury. Ashley?
Yeah, Mary, I spoke with retired Wisconsin State Supreme Court Justice Janine Geske. She says while it's unlikely a mistrial will be declared, this is a common move by the defense.
He's looking at a life sentence, potentially without parole if he's convicted.
Day 2 of deliberation brings discourse.
And to not get that until the evidence has already been closed, that doesn't strike me as fair.
Both sides argue over drone footage, with the Rittenhouse defense team again calling for a mistrial.
It is unlikely that the judge will declare a mistrial on the video.
Former state Supreme Court Justice and current Marquette law professor Janine Geske says the defense objection is common but rarely granted.
Those kinds of skirmishes happen, defense makes its record, but it's not the kind of monumental evidence that the court is likely to enter a mistrial.
As the jury completes its second day of deliberation, the nation waits and watches.
I suspect there are jurors in there that have different views on guns, on self-defense, on what happened in Kenosha. And so there's probably not unanimity on voting.
Geske says that may be a good sign for the state.
They're asking for jury instructions, they're asking for evidence, they're taking their responsibilities very seriously, and there's probably conflict in that jury room.
While no one knows for certain what will happen next, this trial continues in the hands of 12 jurors.
I think they're doing their jobs as jurors, and that's what we want.
And the only time we have any insight into that jury is when they ask a question. Today, they reviewed that video and went home. Reporting live in Brown Deer, Ashley Sears, Fox 6 News.
We'll be back at 9 a.m. tomorrow. All right, Ashley, thank you.